They are a bloody hazard. Oh look, he's off again. Yes.
Go back this way.
Can you keep off ahead?
Yeah.
It's away again.
Awesome. Look how good he's doing. Brilliant. My camera's so crap, I can't actually see anything anymore. It's proper flying. Who's catching him? Oh no! Emily, stand still so I can... Rogan, don't you dare jump up in front of the camera again. Oh no, 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 no!
Come on, Daddy! Come on! Yes! Yes! No! No! No!
Oh, he's miles away again. Oh, good. Good at this shit. My camera's that way, I can't even see if I'm getting him on the camera. Oh, he's miles on now. It's twice now, you want to put your head in that. Comes again. Woo! Shit! Here I go.
Big muddy puddle too.
John wouldn't care, he'll be like, yay!
It's a squash me, yeah.
I know. What did you say after that though? Delighted.
Yes.